Okay, everybody, time to play a game.
Excelente, Billy.
Okay, listen up. Take these signs. Okay, ready? I'm going to hold up an adjective, look at the ending, and then hold up the sign that goes with it. Ready? Okay.
Guapa, pretty. That's got to be Toño and Toña. Who else?
Hold on, little dudes. That's an A ending. It has to be this sign. Billy es guapa.
Oh, how true it is. Okay, next sign. Desorganizados.
Desorganizados. An OS ending. Well, it can't be me. Hey, it must be Toño and Toña.
No way. That's not fair. We're pretty organized. Okay, not always. But sometimes.
Yeah, right. Toño y Toña son desorganizados. Okay, everybody. Last one. Perezoso.
Perezoso. Lazy. That doesn't describe anyone I know.
Think. I'm getting something. It's coming. It's almost there.
Pablo! You got one. Pablo es perezoso.
Wait a minute. I'm not lazy. And Toño and Toña aren't disorganized. And you're not.
Relax, Pablo. It's only a game.